Hi everyone, see what have we got today. We got a few Muc-Off kits. We have the helmet kit here. We've got the waterless wash here. We've got the clean, protect and lube kit. But the one that excites me right now to clean the motorcycle is this bag right here, which has a few cleaners, and it also has the chain lube as well. So let me open this up and show you guys what this kit has. Alright, look at this bag, how nifty it is. We open this up, we have a fiber cloth. We have something to brush off the bike, the dust on the bike. We have a chain cleaning brush. We have like a tire cleaning brush. And we have a motorcycle cleaner. We've got a motorcycle protectant that we might use right now. We've got the silicone shine for this bike. We've got the chain cleaner. And we have the all-weather chain lube for you guys. Amazing, right? So let's see how we can use this. I think it's a post-wash. So I'll just pump it side to side. Take the cloth. Put some chemical on. And then just wipe it for the shine. Guys, it's that easy. You've got an extra sheen on this, and then once we put the silicone spray on top, you'll get that matte finish as well. So this kit is specifically if you need like a matte protection on the bike. What do you think?
It's good, looking good. You can clearly see the difference, the shine is coming now.
Yeah. Alright, so once we are done with this, let me put the other silicone shine on this another. So silicone shine, as you guys saw before, is right here. Makes parts shine. I mean, the only parts that I want to shine right now are the handguards. I'll also shine the fairing sliders or the frame sliders. And we'll also put some silicone shine on the frame itself. We'll apply a little detailing liquid on the brake lever and the lever guard. Just a small dab of a spray on the gas tank. I just want to do a little bit on the silencers, and I think we'll call it the project for now. Let's put a little on the wheel cover. It's interesting, like we can show you a complete contrast. So this bike has a pure matte finish, and you see I use the same liquid and you'll still see a matte sheen on the bike, except like the color here which is shining and it's a gloss finish. I'll show you the next bike, which is a pure gloss paint. Look at it here. So we use exact same Muc-Off silicon shine on the MV Agusta F4. So compared to the Rush 1000, this has an extreme gloss finish all around. Now use the same spray and you'll still get the gloss finish. So that's the beauty of this product. I'm not even using like a lot of spray. I'm just dabbing a little bit and then just wiping it off. And that's what you need to do. Look at that. Even under a lot less light compared to the Rush, you can see the sheen, you can see the reflections here. And let's do the same here now. So the BMW blue, which is very different from the Italian reds, will also shine like a night sky.
And you can get all this on 2to4wheels.com.
Yeah, you heard him right. These kits are in stock. We've got Muc-Off, we have got Motul, we have got Wizards, we have got chemical kits guys for your motorcycle and your car. You can just email us, you can just send us a message on Instagram, or you can buy it online from our website. Look at that. It's that easy.